In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the spell checker on or off in Notion. If you've ever been distracted by red squiggly lines or you want to quickly catch typos while writing, the built-in spell checker is a simple toggle away. I'll walk you through it so you can switch it on when you need guidance or turn it off when you want a clean, distraction-free canvas. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page where you're typing. You can use any page, a document, a notes page, or even a database with text fields. Click into a text block so your cursor is active. You can highlight a word or a sentence if you like, but placing the cursor in any editable text area works just fine. Now right-click inside that text area to open the context menu. On most devices, that's a two-finger click on a trackpad, a right-click with your mouse, or a control click on some keyboards. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Spell Check or something similar like Spelling or Spelling and Grammar. Click that option and you'll see a toggle to enable or disable it. The change takes effect immediately. If you turn the spell checker off, those red underlines will disappear right away. Turn it back on and Notion will resume highlighting potential typos as you type. This toggle is quick and reversible, so don't worry about making the wrong choice. If you're drafting ideas and want to keep your flow without visual interruptions, switch it off. When you're ready to polish, switch it back on to catch easy mistakes. It works across standard text blocks, headings, bullets, and most places you can type in Notion. If you don't see the spell check option, make sure you're right-clicking directly in an editable text area. Depending on your device or browser, the wording may vary slightly, or the option might live under a submenu like Spelling and Grammar. Also note that this is handled by your browser or the Notion desktop app, so if you change devices or browsers, you may need to set it again there. And that's it. Open Notion, go to your page, right-click in your text, and toggle spell check to instantly enable or disable it. No extra saving is required, and you can switch it as often as you like to suit your writing process. You're all set to write the way you prefer, focused when you want, precise when you need.